What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and a review of this Bible verse decor. Now this can use especially in your room, just to decor your home, in your living room, or especially in a building of your choice. So it basically comes in this package with a lot of Bible scripture that is written on this right here. Just gonna unbox it, let you guys see what's on the package, what comes inside, and how it basically looks. So as you guys can see, basically have this wooden finish right here. As you can see, all the scriptures that is written on it right here. As you can see guys, looking really nice. So it's a great decor, especially if you want to just remember some of these Bible scriptures. And the first one is from Philippines. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. So that's Philippines 4:13, and a lot of Bible scripture on here guys that can remind you, just to give you some bit of motivation if you want that courage from scriptures from the Bible verse, as you can see right here. And it's looking pretty neat. I'm just gonna put it inside my room just for great decor, and yeah, I'm loving it. And the material, as you can see, it's made from wood with a string which attached to the back of it right here. So this is basically the glue to the back, and yeah, it's a great decor. And I love the finish of these. Each of these wooden have some great design, and yeah, it looks looking pretty perfect. And I hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, peace out.